Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Monday, June 1st. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather mostly dry tomorrow. Then we bring back the chance of scattered storms each day for the rest of the week, and a tropical storm is likely in the western Gulf of Mexico later this week. So a lot to talk about. Let's dive in. This is the upper air pattern across the country today. Got a big ridge developing across the southern states. The jet stream displaced well to the north. And is expected a quiet day. The sky partly to mostly sunny. Got a field of cumulus clouds across the state. Nothing on radar. Temperatures are mostly in the middle 80s, about where we should be for this time of the year. Birmingham at 86. We'll see numbers in the mid to upper 80s probably each day for the rest of this week. There's the watch warning map, a very quiet afternoon, and maybe a few strong storms up north. We've got 3 marginal risks there, but down here things will be quiet. Maybe an isolated storm in southeast Alabama, but if anything pops there, not expected to be severe. Tomorrow, an enhanced risk over parts of Minnesota, Wisconsin. Chance of severe storms all the way from Wyoming over into western New York and Pennsylvania. And on day 3, Wednesday, got a risk of severe storms from the high plains over to Pennsylvania and New Jersey. And again, we're in the green. That means a chance of scattered storms, organized severe weather not likely. Here's the rain for the next 7 days, and the west is pretty dry. For the Gulf Coast, of course, the rain's all going to depend on the tropical system. And if you got a beach trip to, say, Panama City Beach or Destin, Gulf Shores, don't panic. The main impact will probably be well to the west of there, but there might be deeper moisture that will bring in a pattern of more numerous thunderstorms later this weekend over the weekend, but not a washout most likely. So here's the tropics, and obviously the attention is on Invest 93L in the Bay of Campeche. Hurricane Center giving this a 90% chance of developing. You can see pretty good structure on the loop here, a good outflow, and this probably will be a tropical storm within 24 hours. And it gets the name Cristobal because this used to be Amanda in the Eastern Pacific. It's lost its course circulation over land. This is a newer system coming out of that. So Cristobal is going to be the name. This is the model output from the European, the ensemble. And you can see most all the members take it into either Louisiana or Texas. And understand, until this thing gets on the board, there's no point in fussing about the ultimate destination, but you just look at these range of possibilities, and certainly the idea is that the core impact will be Texas or Louisiana. This is the chance of tropical depression formation within the next 3 days, very high, basically 90% over the Bay of Campeche. And then this is for Thursday through Sunday. And you can see the higher possibilities are centered over toward Galveston and Houston, Lake Charles, Corpus Christi. And for those of you planning a trip down there, again, the Alabama Gulf Coast, the Northwest Florida Panhandle Coast will be on that moist east side of the circulation center. So there could be deeper moisture pulled in from this thing, but direct impact, probably not. In other words, I would not cancel my trip if I were you. But I'm not you, so you make your own decision. So here we go. Model fans, the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 4. Ridging in place across the deep south. And again, the better chance of thunderstorms probably over the southern half of the state tomorrow. I'd say North Alabama, East Alabama most likely stays dry with highs in the upper 80s. Wednesday, the moisture a little deeper. So we'll forecast a mix of sun and clouds with scattered showers and storms. No washout, mid-80s. And that's going to be the deal. This is Thursday and this is Friday. Both days partially sunny with scattered, mostly afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms. Highs mid to upper 80s, and that's going to be the theme for the weekend. This is Saturday and this is Sunday. In fact, the model's really suggesting the weekend could be relatively dry. As our tropical system moves up into the Gulf of Mexico, we could be in a subsidence ring type situation with sinking air on the flank of that, but we'll still mention some chance of at least widely scattered storms Saturday and Sunday. Let's look at the Monday situation. This is the 12Z GFS Monday at 4, the upper pattern. Got a 591 heat bubble a little north of here, big trough in the west, and Cristobal just off the coast of Louisiana, if this verifies. Let's check the European deterministic at the same time. It's got it into the Texas coast Monday. But again, like we've talked about, you don't like to look at this deterministic stuff. You look at the ensemble spread, a range of possibilities. And most of the ensemble members are on the Texas or Louisiana coast early next week. And typically with these early season systems, the main problem is flooding and heavy rain. But it could be a hurricane at the time of landfall, no doubt about that. The water's pretty warm. Let's go out 10 days. This is Thursday, June 11th. Troughing well to the north, and that looks pretty quiet. Here's the rain for Birmingham off the GFS ensemble. The mean between 1.5 and 2 inches through mid-June. Temperatures, highs mostly upper 80s, lows around 70 for the next 15 days. And the brand new CPC outlook for June 9th through June 15th. Temperatures above average over much of the eastern half of the country. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.